Recently, I had discoloration issue with this iPad too. Factory reset, upgrades and accessibility setting didn't fix the issue. If the screen has bright colors then seems like a little better. However, if black tones more, then viewing experience becomes harder. Especially, when Minecraft is played. Also, I needed to replace the volume button. Therefore, I didn't mind to open it to check if a digitizer has loose plug. For this I needed a hair dryer, and Apple repair kit such as screwdrivers and plastic pry tools. Start blowing hair dryer with low mode for 2 minutes. Ignore the home button area since the digitizer plugs are there. Start using flat plastic pry tools from the top 2 corners as soon as you apply 2 minutes heating. Support with plastic stick pry tools for the areas that had good enough gaps. Gently, lift the digitizer from the top side. Make sure to align or fix the sticky tape at inner edge. You will be needing it since there are no screws to hold. There are 3 plugs but only 2 stripes connects digitizer to motherboard. We need to remove these 3 screws to unplug and separate the digitizer. We need to loose camera to access one of the 4 screws of button widget. The microphone needs to be pried out after removing or loosening camera. This is what you need to order online and replace to fix the volume button. Let's come back to color rendering problem. After opening the iPad, notice that there is no loose plug issue. I plugged the digitizer while iPad is still open and result was negative. I took a screenshot and emailed to my iPhone and that was a proof that there was no software issue as well. I noticed that black colors appears as transparent while I was moving the snapshot and that caused the rendering issue. On the other hand, white was okay. For some reason digitizer converts black to transparent and looks like the only solution is to replace it. However, little online search concludes that buying same iPad is cheaper than digitizer. If you have this problem, do not bother fixing it. Just use it with solid black wallpaper which makes it a little better.